Well, since Buffy is getting a little bit older and has some trouble getting on the couch, I bought these cat stairs, little dog stairs, from Temu, and I'm going to build them and see if it helps Buffy. And they look good, and they also smell like wood. As you can see, they look very nicely. So it will look good in our interior also. There is no instruction with it, but I think I can figure it out, even though I have limited skill. But well, it looks like I don't have to search for a screwdriver because one is included. What I learned from the simple projects I've done before, that you build up one side in the height and then put on the other side. So I'm starting to build this one, and I also learned that even though you have to tighten your screws, do not tighten them too much, so you can still get them out if you make a mistake, and then when the item is ready you will pull them as tight as possible. Well, I had to use my chin and my foot and my hands for this. So it would be nicer to work with two people, but still doable as one person. These are the boards that you look at, and then these will be flattened, but they are not very tight. I think about hammering just a little bit so they are more sturdy. Don't hammer directly on the wood because it could damage because of that. So I'm going to put something in between. This is how it looks like now. And I'm going to put this one up on it. And I'm going to pull in the screws, which are there and very heavily. These three are really the support which keeps it together. These are not really plugged into the item, but I'm going to try to make it better by hammering it a little bit, which, because I don't want to damage the wood, will be doing with this between it. When you're using the screwdriver, push downwards with as much force as you can, because you want the screw to grip into the hole that is in the wood. And when in doubt, tape on it. And when in doubt, you could always think of hitting them with a hammer. Okay, and here is the finished product. Maybe if it is a little bit too wonky, I will put it together again, but then using wood glue. But as for now, I'm keeping it this way. I'm hoping Buffy will like it. She knows how stairs work. When she was a little bit younger, she used our stairs, so she knows the concept of stairs. So let's hope that this will help her. Buffy's look when I just put down the stairs. She does not look really very happy with it. But we'll see. Cats are cats. But anyway, it does not look too bad. Cute, kind of. Bye bye. And if you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.